Leasing makes life easier because you get to drive a brand new car with a simple and affordable monthly payment that suits your budget. The best bit is that you can forget all about the extra stuff you have to pay for when you own a car. So, what's taken care of? Annual road tax is covered for the duration of your lease and is included in your monthly payment. New cars don't need an MOT for the first 3 years, so if your term is 3 years, you won't need to pay for it. Every new car comes with a full manufacturer's warranty, usually 3 years long, for added peace of mind. And all maintenance costs, including servicing and replacement tyres, bulbs and wipers, for example, can be covered for a small additional cost added to your monthly payments. When you buy a car, you are stuck with a continuously depreciating asset. But when you lease a car, you don't have to worry about any depreciation or having to sell the car when you want a new one, because you simply hand the car back at the end of your contract, and there'll be no more trailing around dealerships. You can order online in minutes and your brand new car will be delivered free direct to your front door. Motorama.com. You'll never buy a car again.